Hello and welcome to KnowEdge. In this video we shall see chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We shall continue with exercise number 3.5, question number 4, third part. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Now here Yash has actually scored 40 marks, out of which 3 marks was given for each right answer and then lose 1 mark. He lost 1 mark for each wrong answer. So this is the first part of the question. Then it is said that they are assuming that if he had been given 4 marks for each correct answer, so 4 marks for each correct answer and then losing 2 marks for, deducted means losing, subtracting, so deducted for each incorrect answer, then he would have scored 50 marks. So they are asking us how many questions were there in the test totally. So now here the answer for this question is, test paper contains right answers as well as wrong answers. So here we have to take the right answer as x and the wrong answer as y. So let's assume, so let the number of right answers be x, okay, and let the number of wrong answer be y. So here the test contains right answer as well as wrong answer, so x plus y will give you the total number of questions in the test. So x plus y is equal to total number of questions. Okay, so now let's form the equation. So here we have let the right answers as x, and he has said that 3 marks is given for each right answer. So x into 3 will give you the marks for the right answer. So here x into 3 will be 3x, and then he will be losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So our wrong answer is, we have taken it, the number of wrong answers is y. So y into 1 will give you 1y, but we will be subtracting this because he will be losing. He will be gaining marks for each right answer, but he will also be losing marks for each wrong answer. So since he is losing, we will have to subtract here. So right answers minus wrong answers will give you the marks he scored is 40. So this is your equation. Now same way, second part says that he will, if he was awarded 4 marks for each correct answer and 2 marks for each wrong answer, deducted for each wrong answer, so 4 marks into the right answer will give you this part. So x into 4 will give you 4x, and then again minus because he will be losing marks for incorrect answers. So 2 into y, incorrect answer, will give you 2 marks he will be losing. So 2 into number of incorrect answers is y. So 2 into y is 2y, will give you 50 marks. So this is your second equation. Now let's solve this by elimination method. So by elimination method, now let's write the equation here. 3x minus 1y is equal to 40, and 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Now see here, I want to eliminate one variable from this. I can eliminate y variable because if I multiply this equation by 2, then I will get a 2 here, and 2y and 2y I can cancel. So I am going to multiply this by 2. So 2 into 3x will give me 6x, then minus 2 into 1y is minus 2y is equal to 4 into 2 is 8, so 80. And then there is no change in this second equation, so it remains like that. So 4x minus 2y will give us 50. Okay, now I can eliminate this variable, but I have a similar sign for in both the places. So what I need to do is I have to have one plus and one minus sign for me to cancel this variable. So I have to subtract this equation so that I can change the sign and then I can eliminate this. So let's write it over here. Our equation is 6x minus 2y is equal to 80 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. Now if I want to subtract, then I will have to change the sign of all the three terms in the second equation. So this will become minus 4x, this minus 2y will become plus 2y, and this plus 50 will become minus 50. Now here plus and minus is minus, so 2y minus 2y is 0. So this is cancelled. Now again same way here, 6 minus 4y is 6x minus 4x is 2x is equal to 80 minus 50 is 30. So x is equal to 30 divided by 2. This is a multiple. When it comes to the right hand side, it divides. So when you divide, this is 15. So x is equal to 15. Okay. Now we have to substitute this value in any of these two equations to get the value of y. So substitute x is equal to 15 in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is, let's take this equation, and equation number 1 is 3x minus 1y is equal to 40. So here in place of, here this is 3, in place of x I will replace 15 from here, then minus 1y is equal to 40. So 15 into 3 is 45, minus 1y is equal to 40. Minus 1y is equal to 40. This 45 will move to your right hand side, becomes minus 45. Minus 1y is equal to 40 minus 45 is minus 5. Minus and minus is cancelled. So y is equal to 5 divided by 1 goes 5 times. So y is equal to 5. This is the value for y. Now the question here is that we have to write how many questions that they have asked us, how many questions were there given in the test. So we have already mentioned it here that x plus y will give you the total number of questions. So here we can write the final answer as, the total number of questions are x plus y is 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. This is the total number of questions. Okay, very simple, right? So if you like this video, like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.